Transfer VMware backups stored in your IDrive BMR device to your IDrive Cloud account for a better disaster recovery plan. To perform VMware Cloud Replication, click Cloud Replication in the LHS menu. In the VMware Servers tab, choose the VMware servers and initiate data transfer to the cloud. You can also schedule a backup from the Schedule Cloud Replication section. Click the Add VM icon and choose either the ESXi host or vCenter server option. Select the required VMs and click Add. Schedule the replication time. Set the backup as daily or custom set to select days of the week. Enable replication end time if required and click Save to save the settings. View the summary of your scheduled backups in the Schedule Summary section. Monitor the cloud replication status and check the details of your latest cloud data transfer in the Last Replication Log section.